Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're about to record WhatsApp audio or a voice call. First, confirm microphone and storage permissions, then pick the recorder you'll use. Once done, open WhatsApp and the chat or call screen you want to capture. You should disable battery savers and silence notifications to prevent interruptions, and place the phone in a stable spot. Make a quick test clip of 3-5 seconds to confirm levels and clarity, then return and prepare to start the real recording immediately. Now start your recorder first, then initiate the WhatsApp voice message or call. This ensures full capture. You should watch input levels and adjust distance. About 6 to 12 inches is a good range, so voices don't clip. If you can, switch WhatsApp to speaker mode or plug in a wired microphone for improved clarity. During longer takes, pause the app that sends notifications and glance at the recorder occasionally to confirm it's still active. When the session ends, stop the recorder immediately. Finish by saving the recording in MP3 or M4A, using a clear file name that includes date and context so you can find it later. Then import the file into a simple editor to trim silence, normalize levels, and export a final version. Make sure to back up the file to cloud or external storage. If you find no audio, immediately verify microphone permissions and available storage. Then repeat the short test clip to confirm the issue is fixed before redoing the full recording.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.